Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 maths. Click on your lessons, and we're going to start with the topic evaluate numerical expressions involving whole numbers from the chapter mixed operations. Got it? So here is the list of the topics we're going to cover today. So from the mixed operations chapter, we're going to cover evaluate numerical expressions involving whole numbers. Then we'll do the final test from the chapter. Then from we'll start the next chapter, that is rational numbers. And the topic we're going to start with is compare rational numbers and put rational numbers in order. Got it? Okay, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples as well. Got it? Let's start with the first topic, that is evaluate numerical expressions involving whole numbers. Let me write down the lesson name and then we'll start. Okay, evaluate numerical expressions involving whole numbers, I think. Yes, involving whole numbers. So let's start with the topic. Okay, here is the topic evaluate numerical expressions involving whole numbers. Okay, let's start with the first example. Evaluate the expression 5 divided by 5 plus 2. Okay, 5 divided by 5 and plus 2. So division has the higher priority. First you have to divide. Got it? 5 divided by 5 is 5 times 1 is 5. So 5 subtract 5 is 0. So the answer is 1. Then you can add 1 plus 2 equals 3. Got it? So the answer is 3. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 4 divided by 2 plus 1. The first question is, okay, the first question is 4 divided by 2 plus 1. So first of all, you have to do division. Got it? Because division has the higher priority. First, you have to divide 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 times what number is 2? Sorry, 2 times what number is 4? 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 subtract 4 is 0. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then you have to add 1. So 2 plus 1 makes 3. Got it? So it would be 3. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 divided by 1 plus 3. So 3 divided by 1 is, okay, so 3 divided by 1 plus 3. So 3 divided by 1 is divide 3 by 1. 1 times what number makes 3? 1 times 3 makes 3. Got it? So it would be 3 and then 3 plus 3 equals 6. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to the next question. So it would be 5 plus 2 divided by 1. So 2 divided by 1 is, first of all, you have to perform the division. Got it? 2 divided by 1 is 2 because 1 times 2 makes 2. So it would be 5 plus 2 equals 7. Got it? So it would be 7. Okay, the next one is 5 times 4 plus 2. So first you have to do multiplication or addition. So which is the correct option? Just select. Just tell me the answer. Which of them is the correct answer? Very good. It is 22. You have to do division first. 5 times 4 is multiplication. Sorry. You have to do multiplication first. 5 times 4 is 20. And then you have to add 2. So 20 plus 2 makes 22. Very good. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 plus 5 minus 4. So addition and subtraction are on the same level. You can start from left to right. So the answer would be, three plus 5 is 8 and 8 minus 4 is 4. Yes, it is 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 4 divided by 1 times 2. So first of all, you have to division and multiplication are on the same level. So you have to start from left to right. First of all, you have to divide. 4 divided by 1 is 4 divided by 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is, it would be 4 divided by 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. So the correct option is 8. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next topic is the final test of the chapter. Let's start with the final test. Okay, Tammy, you made a fruit salad with 4 pounds of melon and six whole 1/5 pounds of berries. How many fruits of pounds of fruit did Tammy use in all? So basically, you have to add the number. No, there is no delay. I'm waiting for the answers from your side actually. So it would be 2 plus 6 whole 1/5. You have to add the numbers. It would be 2 plus 6 whole 1/5. Got it? Okay, just convert the 6 whole 1/5 to the improper fraction. So it would be 5 times 6 times 5 and plus 1 divided by 5. Got it? It is 2, I think. 2 pounds and 6 whole 1 by 4 pounds. Got it? Or simply just add their whole numbers. You have nothing to do with the whole number. And you have nothing to do with the fractions. Simply add their whole number. 6 plus 2 is 8. It would be 8 whole 1 over 5. Got it? It would be 8 whole 1 over 5. Got it? So the correct option is 8 whole 1 over 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 0 0.1 plus 0 0.3 plus 0 0.4. So the answer is simply add them. So it would be 0 point. Which option is the correct one? Yes, it would be 0 0.8. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 5 by 6 subtract 1 over 3. So you have to subtract them. First of all, you have to make their denominators same. 5 by 6 minus 1 over 3. So this is this to smaller denominator. You have to make the smaller denominator equal to the greater one. So 3 times what number is 6? So it would be 3 times 2 makes 6. So multiply this fraction by 2. So it would be 5 by 6 minus 1 times 2 divided by 3 times 2. So it would be 5 over 6 minus 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 3 is 6. Now they have the same denominators, just subtract their numerators. 5 subtract 2 is 3 over 6. Just divide them both numerator and denominator by the same number. So it would be then 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. Very good, it is 1 over 2. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to multiply 1 by 2 times 3 by 4. So when you're multiplying the fractions, what you have to simply multiply numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. 1 by 2 times 3 over 4. So you need to do numerator time numerator 3 times 1 and denominator time denominator. 3 times 1 is 3 and 4 times 2 is 8. So it would be 3 over 8. 3 over 8, not 3 over 6. 4 times 2 is 8. It would be 3 over 8. Got it? AB, what happened? Okay, the next one is 7.8 times 7.5. You have to multiply the integers. 7.8 times. So first let's just multiply them without the decimal points. Got it? Simply multiply. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40, 0, 4 carry. 5 times 7 is 35 and 4 39. So it would be, okay, just multiply now. 7 times 8 is 56. So here you have 6 and 5 carry. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49. 50 and 54. So it would be 54. Okay, just multiply them. 0, 9 and 6, 15. 5, 1 carry. So 4, 3 and 4 makes 7 and 1, 8. Wait, it would be 8 and 5. So yes, it would be 58.50. Got it, everyone? It would be 58.5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to add zero point 0.3 plus 0.1 plus 0.6. So it would be 1.0. Got it? Just one is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 7 subtract negative 6 divided by 3. 7 subtract negative 6 divided by 3. So first of all, you have to perform the division because division has the higher priority. So you are subtracting a negative, you are dividing a negative number by the positive number. That means answer must have a negative sign. So 6 divided by 3 is, okay, so it would be negative 2. So subtracting a negative number is same as adding. Got it? Subtracting a 7 number is same as adding. So it would be 7 plus 2 is 9. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to next one. The correct option is 9. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 52 subtract negative 6. So subtracting a negative number is same as, okay, first of all you have to subtracting a negative number, so it would be same as adding. So it would be 52 plus 6 is 58. Got it? Okay, Ronald's dog eats 0.3 kilograms of the dog food each day. How much dog food will Ronald's dog eat in 14 days? You have to multiply 0.3 times 14. So 0.3 times 42 is, sorry, 0.3 times 14 is, it would be 0.3 times 14. So 0.43 times 14 is, so the correct option is 4.2. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 8.3 subtract 0.5. So the answer is, it would be, it would be 7.8. Just select the correct option and then move on to the next question. Okay, the next one is, each month Nancy's family eats 4.8 pounds of granola. How many pounds of granola will Nancy's family eat in 12 months? Got it? You have to multiply 12 times 4.8. Got it? It would be, just multiply them. So it would be 57.6. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the let's start with the next chapter. So if you need more help with any of the topics, Just find these sessions we did earlier from this chapter, do the practice questions as many as you can, and then you can start with the topics. Got it? Okay, we're going to start with a new chapter, that is rational numbers. So let's start with the rational numbers, and the first topic is compare rational numbers. Let me write down the lesson name. Let's start with the first topic, that is compare rational numbers. Okay, so first of all, we're going to learn what are the um, rational numbers. Got it? Rational numbers are the numbers that can be, okay, let me write down the definition of the rational numbers. So the rational numbers are the numbers, let me write it down on board. The numbers that can be, the numbers that can be written in the form P over Q. Got it? So whenever you can write any fractions, any number in the fractional form, that means it is the rational number. Got it? Let's start with the first example chapter topic. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 4.75 and negative whole 1 over 2. 4.75, or which is greater? Which sign we need to put? 4.74 is greater than negative 1 by 2 or smaller than negative 1 by 2? It would be 4.7. Definitely 4. Just look at the whole numbers 4 and 1. So 4 is greater than negative whole 1 by 2. Got it? Negative 1 whole 1 by 2. Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, negative 2 whole 7 by 10 is greater than 0 or less than 0? Which sign makes the statement true? It would be negative numbers are always smaller than 0. Got it? So it would be negative 2 whole 7 by 10 is less than 0. Got it? Less, because negative numbers are always smaller than 0. So negative 2 whole 7 by 10 is less than 0. Got it? How greater? Less. Negative numbers are always smaller than 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is, which sign makes the statement true? 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Which one is greater and which one is smaller? Negative 1 over 2. Sorry, not 1 over 2. Yes, 0 is greater. Negative 1 over 2. Negative numbers are always smaller than the positive numbers. Got it? So negative 2 is, negative 1 by 2 is less than 3 over 4. Got it? Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 2.9 and 2.5. Okay, 2.9 is greater than 2.5. Got it? So it have a, you have to put a greater sign over here. Okay, the next one is, which sign makes the statement true? Negative 3 and negative 3 over 1. -3 and -3/1 both are exactly equal. Got it? So they both are equal. Okay, then you have 5.0 and 5. So what are they equal, greater or less? They are equal. Got it? 5.0 and 5, they are equal. Okay, it's okay, no problem. So they are equal. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 1 by 2 and 0.5. So are they greater, equal or less? So it would be 1 by 2 equal. Very good. They are equal. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2.4 and 2 whole 2 by 5. So are they equal or less? They are exactly equal. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 7 by 8 and 4 whole 3 by 8. So 7 by 8 and less, 7 by 8 is smaller than 4 whole 3 by 8. Yes, it is less than 4 whole 3 by 8. Okay, 2 whole 1 by 4 and 2.25. So which option is the correct one? So 2 whole, they are, I think, equal, isn't it? 4 times 2, yes, they are exactly equal. 2 whole 1 by 4 and 2.25, they are equal. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Okay, the next topic is put rational numbers in order. You have to arrange them in the order. Got it? Okay, we don't have the anything in this topic. Let's just start with the next topic, that is absolute value of rational number. Got it? Okay, what is 2.27? Okay, let me just explain absolute value. What is the absolute value of rational number? Please note down the definition I'm going to write for the absolute value. So what is an absolute value? Absolute values are always positive. Let me write it down. Absolute values are always positive. So whenever you have to calculate absolute values are always positive values. Got it? Let's start with the one with the example. The first example we have, it is uh, okay, what is the absolute value of negative 4 whole 1 over 4? So I've just told negative 4 whole 1 over 4. So this is the sign for the absolute value. Got it? Two lines around the number. So the absolute values are always positive numbers. So the line means you have to calculate the absolute value. It would be 4 whole 1 over 4. Got it? Just write the number without sign. Got it? It would be 4 whole 1 over 4. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on this. So just make sure, keep very important point in your mind. Absolute values are always the positive values. Got it? Just write the value with the positive sign or with no sign. Got it? So like for this one, what is the absolute value of negative 9.3? So it would be it would be 9.3. Got it? Because the absolute values are always positive values. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is 2.27? Number is always positive. Number is already positive, so it is 2.27. Got it? Okay, 83 whole. What is 83 whole 3 over 5? So the number is already positive, so the absolute value is positive. Got it? 83 whole 3 over 5 is the same number. Okay, so it would be 83 whole 3 over 5. Good. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the absolute value of 2.72? So the absolute value of 2.72 is exactly the same number. Got it? It would be the first option. It would be 2.72. Got it? Exactly the same number. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next number one is, what is the absolute value of 3 whole 1 over 7? It would be 3 whole 1 over 7. So just move on to the next question. Okay, the next one is what is 7.5? So the answer is exactly same. It would be 7.5 because 7.5 is already positive. Absolute values are positive values. Okay, what is the absolute value of 3.1? So it would be 3.1. Okay, what is the absolute value of 6 whole 4 over 7? It would be the same number. Got it? Because it is already a positive number. So it would be 6 whole 4 over 7. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is negative 82 whole 1 over 8? It would be a positive number. Got it? 82 whole 1 over 8. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is what is the absolute value of 2.67? It would be the same because the number is always already a positive number. Okay, what is the absolute value of negative 2 whole 8 over 9? It would be 2 whole 8 over 9. Got it. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So here is the topics we have covered today. We don't have the practice questions on and tutorial for this topic. So we have covered the next one, that is the absolute value of the, that would be the absolute value of rational number. Got it? So here is the list of the topics we covered today. Absolute value of rational numbers. So okay, so we have covered four of the topics today. They are two of them are from chapter mixed operations. They are evaluate numerical expressions involving whole number, and then we started the final test. Then we have started the chapter rational numbers. We have covered two of the topics. They are compare rational numbers and absolute value of the rational numbers. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete the test questions for all the topics we did today. Got it? And if you need more help with the topic, you can contact and tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So thank you for your participation. Your participation is highly appreciated. Thank you all. Please click on the like button right below the video. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.